For the beauty of the earth, and for the beauty of the skies, for the love from which our birth over and around us lies. Father, unto thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. For the beauty of each hour of the day and of the night, hill and vale and tree and flower, sun and moon and stars of light. Unto Father thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. Joy of ear and eye, for the heart and brain's delight, for the mystic harmony, linking sense to sound and sight. For the joy humans love, brother, sister, parent, child, friends on earth and friends above, for all gentle thoughts and mild. Father, unto thee we raise this our